baby gorilla. What are you doing? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. On today's episode of What's in This Box and why is it this color? We're gonna find out together. In case you're listening and not watching, good for you, you do your own thing. But this is the Walmart beauty box. Normally she's not this color, but sometimes it is this banged up. Editing me is really great about leaving the details down below, so prices and whatnot down below. But this is a quarterly box. You get a variety of different items. Not all full size. Walmart, why are we this color? Oh, by the way, this is the summer Walmart beauty box, in case you can tell from the summertime beauty edit. Oh, what are those? No. To me, it looks like we got a lot of packets of things, like squishy sample size things. But let's try and keep positive. Let's get through this box and see what's going on. So, summertime beauty edit Walmart beauty box. Ooh, on the back, ad thingies. Gotta make money somehow. And on the inside of this gigantic when I promise you it did need to be this big. It did. Normally they're smaller, but I mean, I guess maybe you're trying to fill up the box, make it look like more of a presentation. That's cool. Maybe don't put the teeny tiny eyeliner over here. Lip liner? Lip liner. Did I get a lip liner? Let's see. Because I believe whatever's on here is not necessarily what you're going to get. Because there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. There's no way 7 things are in this box, right? Right. First of all, we're going to start with this Maybelline Lifter Liner. It's a lip liner makeup with hyaluronic acid. Full size, $7.98. Okay, next level lip liner, easy long lasting color, formula hyaluronic. I'm assuming it's you. This is not the full size. Okay, the full size, $7.98, you get 0.04, why do you say fluid ounces? Because it's not fluid, it's a, are you? Yeah, you're 0.03 ounces. In the shade 06 Line Leader. I don't think I've ever seen a lip liner, like a new liner, come this small before. I'm trying to look on my desk and there is none. Okay, baby. So it's not the $7.98. I don't know how much it would be because this is little. If anybody's used this, let me know. I already have a lippy on, so I'm not gonna put that on, but like, please don't disappear on my desk. I put it down and now I'm wondering, like, are you gonna run off? Don't do that. Let's do this next item that's on the top of the box. Oh, there's spot patches. These are from CUROLOGY Emergency HYDROCOLLOID Pimple Patches. The full size, which is 40 pieces, is $9.92. This is 20 patches, so like $5. Yeah, half of 40 is 20, and then half of 9 is 4 and change. So like 5. Yeah, we could. Yeah. So then, yeah, just disappeared there, didn't it? I'm like a magician. Okay. Oh. Okay, on to the next item. This next one's from ROCHE-POSAY. It's the ANTHELIOS UV Pro Sport Sunscreen SPF 50. ANTHELIOS. Sound it out. It's not the full size. This is the tiniest little babyest size I've ever seen. Full size, $32.97 for 6.7 fluid ounces. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. So, lightweight lotion sunscreen with Cell Ox Shield, UVA, UVB protection, and antioxidants. Face and body. How much is actually in here? I know you were laying down. It doesn't feel very... I don't think I would take this with me. This is definitely a sample size, not a travel size. So keep that in mind. And just... Okay, the next item, which I kind of like, oh, hope. These are full-size items. I know because I use these. The kiddos use these. These are well used. These are from CHAPSTICK. I Love Summer Collection Lip Balm Variety Pack. These are not $3.88. $3.88. What do you call it? Do you call it scents? Do you call it flavors? Like, what do you say? Because I'm about to say flavors. What flavors you got? Pink lemonade, peaches and cream, sweet watermelon. Oh, dang. I don't think these are going to make it to the kids. No, these might just stay with me. How cute. It has been oh, it has it on the back. I'm over here like struggling to read what's on the actual stick. The names are just on the back. Cool. Neato burrito. So that's a full-size item. The only one so far. The next item is from CLAIROL. It's the Pro Primer. The full size is $4.47 for 1 fluid ounce, and this is, oh, this is 1 fluid ounce. So you're a full-size item? What are you? I love how for this one, like the liner, you get a full description, history, ancestry, and like these ones, nothing. What is this? I've never heard of this. CLAIROL, I've heard of CLAIROL. I'm pretty sure I used to box dye my hair with CLAIROL way back in the day. Good stuff. But this is the Pro Primer Pre-Color Treatment. Benefit, prepare hair for color. Result, optimize color and conditioned hair. I do like conditioning my hair. So what does it do? Before coloring, apply Pro Primer to dry hair, focusing on the mid-length and ends. Do not apply to roots. Do not rinse. Color your hair with your favorite shade and show off that fabulous color. How does this work? Like, I understand that. I understand the directions. How does this work though? Why would I? Because I mean, box color wraps around the hair, right? It doesn't actually go in and like penetrate it, so we're wrapping around it. But if it's all one color and you can, I need an explanation. Google, who uses this? Have you used this? Are you gonna use this? Is it something you use? I go to the Salon Adulta and I get my hair bleached. I'm actually adding brown back into it. I fall in love with brown. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm so curious how this works, if people use this. I'm gonna have to look up more information after we're done here, but excuse me, ma'am? Huh. Oh, are there two? Okay. So let me just swivel my chair. The next item is from Palmer's. It's the Tahitian Vanilla Hydrating Shampoo and okay, both together. Oh no, squiggle! I hate these little guys. Oh, they go everywhere. The full size, is it full size for each is $5.97? Because I don't know, because these, I like these. These are cute. These are like perfect to take like on vacation. Personally for me. Specifically when we're going to like the beach, like if we're going to the beach in Mexico, sometimes the beach in California, but like specifically Mexico, and I get my hair braided, like tiny itty bitty braids, you know, I don't really have to do much with my hair for like the whole 4 or 5 days that we're there. So when I get back to the hotel, I just have to like shampoo, condition, dries on its own. These are like so nice and so easy to take with you. So cool. Vanilla. Made with honey. Good for me. All right. I imagine each of the full size is $5.97, but anywho. What are you? Oh god, no, you're covered in the little squiggly worm. Oh. Can't smell them, I thought. These are magnesium flakes. Bath flakes. They are Village Naturals Therapy Calm Magnesium Bath Flakes. The full size is $2.96, and it's 4.5 ounces. So this is a full size. Okay. Look at me crying about not full sizes, and then we get full sizes. You're just going through it. Huh. And this is the last item in the box too, but that makes sense, like to just take the whole thing, like, when was the last time I took a bath? It was a long time ago. I might have to revisit that though. Okay, thank you, Walmart. Soothe muscles and joints. Promotes muscle relaxation, skin hydration, natural magnesium chloride. I don't like lavender. But I mean, it's not gonna hurt to try. I hope it doesn't hurt to try. But anywho, that's it. That's the whole, that's the whole box full of squigglies. I don't know if I can put this all away like nicely, neatly. Well, kinda. No, not really. Okay, no. I thought it was, well, no, not really. I can't really put it together too nice. But this is the box. A little different. But, I mean, I do love my subscription boxes because I feel like you get different things all the time. This is quarterly, so I get something different every quarter. Some things I get to try. Some things I'm probably never gonna try. But other things I get to learn about. So, good things. And I believe we got everything on here. Yeah, that's, well, it says don't see your product here. Box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. So, okay. Sometimes you can get extras. Does anybody have extras? Curious, let me know. Anywho, this video is going in the Walmart beauty box playlist, so if you're curious about what they've been like to kind of get an idea of what they're gonna be like, you can go look at that playlist. But in my opinion, they've changed things up a little bit. So past boxes, a little bit different than future boxes. We'll see. Anywho, that's the video. We're done. That's it. I'll catch you in my next video though, okay? Bye!